and caring for your Ninja CREAMi is essential to ensure that your unit remains in tip-top shape and is ready whenever a craving strikes. After each use, it's important to properly and carefully disassemble your Ninja CREAMi. First, remove the outer bowl from the machine. When the program ends, hold the release button on the left of the motor base and twist the bowl handle clockwise to remove. Next, remove the bowl lid. Press the lid unlock button and twist to remove the lid from the bowl. Lift the pint out of the outer bowl. When you're done enjoying your delicious treat, rinse the pint lid to remove any sticky residue or pieces wedged into the creamerizer paddle. Then, remove the paddle by pressing the paddle latch on top of the lid. After all the parts have been removed, it's time to begin the cleanup process. Luckily, you can just pop the containers, the lids, and the paddle straight into the dishwasher. Be sure that the creamerizer paddle and lids are removed from the pints before you place in the dishwasher. For best results, place in the top rack of your dishwasher to remove sticky ingredients. However, if you don't have access to a dishwasher, don't worry, you can also wash your parts by hand. Simply wash your containers, lids, and paddle in warm soapy water using a dishwasher utensil with a handle. Once finished, air dry all your parts. To clean the appliance, easily wipe off the motor base with a damp cloth. Make sure to also wipe down the spindle, which you can find below the control panel. If liquid gets trapped between the motor base and the platform, simply raise the platform to clean. Lock the outer bowl into the motor base and then use a damp cloth to clean the area between the raised platform and the motor base. If you're looking for more recipe inspiration, have questions about the Ninja CREAMi, or want to purchase more CREAMi pints, visit us at ninjacreami.com and join our official Ninja Foodie family community on Facebook.